Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Hakeem was so gracious enough to gift me with this gel nail kit. It came with everything I could possibly need to do my nails. So this first bag came with a whole bunch of different accessories like some rhinestones, silver and gold tape to do different designs with, and a lot of other different things that are for design purposes, the little things that separate your toes when you do them, some nail files, cuticle oil, the little foil for when you're taking off gel nail polish if you're putting it on your real nails. I'm just gonna kind of briefly show you guys everything, and I'm really just kind of walking you through how I do my nails. This isn't a tutorial. I just want to show you guys some of the new stuff that I got and that I've been using. So again, with this kit, it comes with the gel top coat and the base coat, and then it also came with 6 nail colors that you guys will see. And I've had this kit for a little while now, so I had the chance to test everything out, and I did some swatches of the colors that it came with for you guys. So these are the 6 colors that it comes with, and for this video I'll be using that light pink and the sparkly pink in the middle. So this kit also came with the LED and UV lamp, which was really nice. It's cute, small, simple, definitely easy to tuck away. And then I also got these nail stands. They did not come in the kit. Hakeem got me these separately, and I just used some double-sided tape to put on there to stick the nails onto it. Instead of using nail glue or anything, it's just easier for me to use the double-sided tape, and this way I can do the nails without them actually being on. So it's so much easier and faster, and I can just kind of let them dry on their own, do what I gotta do, clean up around the house or whatever it may be, and then when they're dry I can just glue them on myself. So now I'm just sticking the nails onto the stands. This is really simple and easy, and like I said, this is not a tutorial, but if you guys would like to see a tutorial of how I actually do my nails, I will have that linked for you guys. But yeah, this is just kind of a run through of how I do my nails. So now that all the nails are on, I'm just gonna quickly buff the top and sides of them just to smoothen them out and kind of shape it a little more to how I want it. And then after this, I'm gonna go in with the base coat of the gel nail polish. Then after putting that first base coat on, I'm gonna put it under the lamp for 60 seconds and then go in with my color polishes. I'm not going to show you guys every time like painting and curing. So after every time I put a coat on, I will be putting it under the lamp, and I put it in for at least 60 seconds, but sometimes I'll put it in for up to 2 minutes just to make sure that it's fully cured. And on this lamp they have a 30-second and a 60-second setting, so I would just press the 60 seconds twice and do it like that. So again, I decided to use that glitter pink and then the nude pink to go with for my nails, and I actually messed up. I wanted my ring finger to have the glitter, but I accidentally just went and kept painting on, so I ended up making the thumb the one that had the glitter, and I think it turned out cute, so I'm not upset. So now I'm putting on my final top coat, doing a nice thin layer of that on each nail, and then again I will be putting it under the lamp for 2 minutes this time, just to really make sure everything's nice and dried. And then this is what they look like when they're all finished, and I'm just gonna glue them on. And then once I put them on, I just kind of file them and get any little excess product that's on there. Just make sure everything's like nice and smooth and neat. I forgot to mention that I also made a nail ring, and this is just me being extra, but you know when you go to the nail salon and they have the swatches of colors, I just wanted to replicate that in my own home, so I made my own swatches, and I'll also have them linked down below. And then last but not least, I like to moisturize my hands with my Cater to Your Beauty shea butter, and this is the lavender scented one. It just leaves my nails and hands so nice and shiny and moisturized. But this is what my nails look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.